Okay, so here we have a different one, and these are equations. So an equation is a mathematical sentence consisting of an equal between two algebraic expressions that have the same value. So in this case, you have n times 4, like the expression, but then on the other side, have 16. So 16 is also considered an expression, so make sure you remember. So basically, the difference between an expression and equation is an expression is just a number sentence, an equation has an equal sign. So that's the difference. So make sure that you are understanding that information. So here are examples. 6 minus k is 3. 4 times 3 plus h equals 12 plus 4h. So if you notice, this is an expression, this is an expression, 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 and then you have the equal sign in between. So make sure you put this on your problem.